Dance competition?
America's Next Top
I like that. Hot dog eating contest. All right. No. You guys are at the gym today training. You're getting ready for the Nathan's hot dog eating contest. All right? Yeah, you're going to love this one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the name of this game is called Remote Control. They're here to get trained. Hot dog eating contest is coming up. Give it up for them. Let's see how they do.
All right. You've come to me today to train for hot dog eating. Yeah! There's no way you can conquer hot dogs if you can't conquer push-ups.
Rewind. And play.
All right. You've come to me today to conquer the hot dog eating competition.
Slow motion.
Oh, yes. Conquer a hot dog if you can't conquer a push-up. Yeah! Give me 10. Yes, sir! Ish. 1.
Rewind.
2. Sir! Give me 10 push-ups. 1.
Pause. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, Kidz Comedy Corner, we do training, we do have a new season coming up, so we're going to sign up. We're going to get you guys involved, we're going to get the kids involved. Do you have anything else? Okay, play.
We gotta do some muscle ups. Ready? Yeah. All right. 1, just like this. There's no way you can eat hot dogs if you have a loose stomach.
Fast forward. Fast forward.
Yes, run fast. Come on.
Rewind. Fast forward, regular play. Play. Regular.
All right, guys. There's no way you can eat a hot dog if you've got a tight stomach. Yeah. Let's do some stomach looses. Stomach looses. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2. I feel a burn. So much burn. 2.
Slow motion. Play.
So much burning.
Mute. Rewind. And play.
All right, guys. Now we gotta do some more jumping jacks. Jumping. Everybody knows that no one can eat a hot dog unless you've done jumping jack. Obviously.
Picture in the picture.
All right. Ready? Yeah. Set. Go. 1. Hot dog. Hot.
Rewind.
What?
Play slow motion. Play.
Come on, everyone.
And eject. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the scene. Wonderful job, guys. Wonderful job. All right, let's see here. For this next game, what I'm going to need is one chair. Tarisha, give me that chair, bro. Thank you. And if you will... Yes. All right, if you would, welcome out Ari, Shayna, and Cindy. Come on, guys, give it up for them. Open your hands. Here, I'll give you this. All right, the name of this game is called Helping Hands. What's going to happen is Shayna, lovely Shayna, is going to play Ari's hands. Ari no longer has hands, they're Shayna's hands. And Cindy, where you guys sit? Okay. Cindy's going to come out and she's going to play the manager or the worker at a restaurant. Ari is here today. What happened? What did Ari do to get herself in trouble? She's here meeting with the manager of the restaurant. What happened? What did she do? She did what? She ate the chicken nuggets? Man, we already did that. What she do?
Spit in food.
Ooh, she spit. Ooh. You know we're all afraid of that, right? Especially. All right, I'm spitting food. What else? Anybody else got something?
That's a good one.
Show's over. We're out here. She spit the food. What else? Somebody else? Anything? She did what?
She took somebody else's
I like that. She what?
Took somebody else's tip.
She took a tip. She tricked the waiter. I'm never going out to eat with y'all. I'm not even ask. You don't have to raise your hand, man. You just yell it out. Late for work. I do that all the time. I can't stand trouble. Broke some just okay. I like it. This is what happened. Okay. She came here. She was at work today, and she's been acting up. Not only did she trick somebody, but you spit in somebody's food too. You just really having a bad day. Give me a crazy made-up name for this restaurant. Give me a funny name.
Persniggities.
Skedoodles, persniggities, what else?
Making noise.
Making noise? What else? Anybody?
Wobble gobbles.
Dead heart.
What'd you say?
Wobble gobbles.
Wobble Gobbles. All right. The name of this restaurant is Wobble Gobbles. The name of the game is called Helping Hands. And anytime during any of these games, I can buzz them, I can throw an emotion at them, I can do anything to them. Give it a form. Let's see how they do.
Hello, welcome to Wobble Gobbles. How may I help you?
I'm great.
What? What is that noise?
Let's focus on getting me the job, okay?
Okay. What? Oh, excuse me. Let me go get my manager. Hello, welcome to Wobble Gobbles. How may I help you?
You look so familiar.
Oh, we're all Indian. Y'all look alike.
Yeah, I want a job.
Job. I have seen your face before. I have seen that shirt before. We sell Indian food.
Of course you do.
Okay, let me ask you something. What is your name?
Excited.
Oh, well. It's R-Ring. Got it? R-Ring. I want the job. So, don't need a job.
Pause. Play.
Ari, that's your name?
Yes.
I understand. Okay, Mrs. Ari, I have one question for you. I am cooking a cow in my backyard, but
So y'all sell hamburgers? Oh, this is just the best thing ever!
Helpful.
Oh, do you want me to go put another lead in your pin for you? I can untwist it. I could redo it. I can put another color in. You know, pink is so in this day. It's so great. Yeah.
okay, but have you ever worked in a restaurant before? Like
Crazy.
I have worked in a restaurant. I've worked in a restaurant.
Reverse. Rewind. Play.
Yeah, I have worked in a restaurant. Yeah. What?
Okay. I'm going to interrupt this little whatever it is. Okay, I just need to know how are your backgrounds. Do you have any good credentials?
Yes, I do. I have. Can I just work at Waffle House now?
Well, sure, go right ahead. There's one next door.
Okay, how much does Waffle House cost to work at? I heard that it was a $1,000, so I'll just stay here since it's free. Okay, give me the job. I'll
Depressed.
Just give me the job and I'll come tomorrow.
What is wrong?
I get up to work tomorrow, right?
You American. Americans are all crazy.
So stupid.
Sassy.
Oh, what did you just say? Excuse me?
I have seen this before.
No.
I have
You
seen
don't
this
say that to me. You don't say that to me, okay? You know who you talk to? You talk to Ari Brown, Missy. You talking to Ari Brown, okay?
In love.
Sure.
Oh, thank you. My cousin made it. Oh, thank you. My father made it.
I love your notebook. It's so flowery.
Oh, thank you. I made it. I bought it off of eBay. I found it in your garage.
Spiritual.
I love the Lord. Let's praise Him. Oh yeah.
Slow motion. Play.
Okay, look, I am Hindu, so I do not know what you are talking about.
I got the job, right?
Insulted.
No, you didn't.
What did you just say something about me? I heard you whisper something. What did you say?
I am not whispering.
No, you said something now. Tell me what you said. Are you scared to say it to my face? My face is right here. Say it. What do you have to say for yourself? Just go on ahead. Go. I'm waiting. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. You don't got all day. Stop staring at me with those eyes.
I'll be right back. I've got to go get my...
No, you don't. Because I know you're going to go back there and leave. I've had this before. You say, go out because I don't want you. Or, okay, I'm going to go in the back and check on my stuff.
Compulsive liar.
Well, you know, I'm like 21 years old, like 21 through 18. I'm not like 10 or something.
Your phone is ringing.
Hello? Yeah.
Loud talker.
I do want some chicken nuggets. Buy me those footy pajamas. Make sure they're pink with the bunny ears, okay? I love the bunny ears. Just go to Target to get it, okay? I love you, Mommy.
And